everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that melody. Claim this following triangle is a right angle triangle. Is a claim correct? How can we explain this? Using Pythagoras Theorem. Now, we must start off with this. Okay? We start off with finding the square of 21 square plus 18 square. That means AC square plus BC square. And we check what is this number first. So this one is 21 square plus 18 square to give me 765. So for this hypotenuse, which is the longer side, our job now is to see, will this 27 square, will this AB square, which is 27 square, will it be equals to 765? No! So therefore, this is not a right angle triangle. So since AC square plus BC square does not equal to AB square, by the converse of Pythagoras Theorem, the triangle is not a right angle triangle. Keywords that we are looking out for in this particular answer, the keywords is this and this. Okay, with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.